Ooh, somebody got something cute right there. Okay, it's not that busy today. Let's check the wall first. Oh my gosh, dirt and stuff all over this one. I like this basket. This would look beautiful with some fall or spring florals coming out of it. All right, adding the first item to my cart. I'm gonna grab this bag. That way if they redo the walls while I'm here, I already have one. Oh, I have a lampshade similar to this. I don't know, I got a pretty big stash of lampshades, so I'm gonna leave that here. Uh-oh, they're starting to empty the wall. I haven't finished digging yet.
Good side down. Good side, right there.
Okay, I think they're gonna do both sides. He's moving over there. Alright, dig. Alright, I didn't find anything I needed, so let me go dig on this side before they dump everything. All I found is these two wooden corbels, so it's probably a good thing that they are changing out the walls, but I always hate when I can't dig through it before they dump it, because I need to know. I need to know what is in there. What is this? Okay, I'm gonna get this. I'm pretty sure some kind of wrapping, medical wrapping, but if I can find something to wrap this up, like let's say a cat, and turn it into a mummy cat, I mean, it's already the perfect color. So I need to remember to look for a large animal. It doesn't matter what it looks like. I want to turn it into a mummy. I don't like this one because that one really looks like a bandage. I like these that are a little more solid, so it'll look more like a mummy, not something that, you know, is in a cartoon and it fell down a mountain and now it's covered in bandages. We'll see if it works out. What is this wood piece with a bunch of holes in it? Oh my gosh, y'all. It is a handmade bingo board. Where's the pieces that go in here? Would this not be so cool on my game wall? I'm gonna look through this bin and see if I can find whatever goes in here, because that'd be cool to have some of them covered, but if not, maybe I can make something. If y'all have ideas, let me know. But I'm gonna keep searching for the other parts of this. Mirror. I think that's just a frame. Here's a handmade bed for a doll, maybe a dog. I don't know. It's cute, but I don't need it. What is this thing? Wait, hold up. Is this a Christmas quilt? That is really pretty. I love all the colors. It looks, you know, vintage. It's not super bright. I don't know how old it is. Is it hand stitched? I think it is. Oh my gosh, I am getting this. It is, oh Lord, it is big. I got distracted by the Christmas quilt. I didn't even notice that they refilled the walls. Grab my bag. Let's go dig. Didn't find too much, but let me show y'all. I think I have time before they change out the wall again. This is for me. It sticks out a lot and I don't love the florals, but I'm gonna get it and see if it works out on my wall. I think that's gonna look pretty. I really like the braided details. If I can get the florals off without messing that up. And then I found not one, but two of these oil lamps. They look like brass, but they're actually metal. You can put some ephemera in here. You can leave them as is. They just look great on a stack of books. Hopefully the next wall changeover I find a lot more. I really like this duffel bag. It's a creamy yellow with florals. It got some really nice gold zippers. Pretty sure this is older. There's a tag right here. Gloria Gray, maybe? The inside is clean. Wait. A mini Jesus is in there. I think I'm gonna get this. I I really like this duffel bag. What y'all think? I'm still impatiently waiting for them to do this wall. They put all the bins out, but they have not actually put them on the wall yet. It's been probably 30 minutes, maybe longer. They just refilled some of the bigger bins, and I found this really awesome cane. Looks like it's actually made from a stick. And I also got 2 beautiful fall plaids. I want to cover some books or do some fall DIY. So any plaids that I find I like, I'm going to get them. And we're still waiting for them to refill the wall. All right, finally we can dig. Christmas. It's like toys. Glass. Some more Christmas stuff. Bye now, y'all. I've never seen y'all spell like that. Y'all come back. Should I get this? Oh, somebody must have put this up here. Look at that elf. Oh my gosh, it is adorable. And a little basket sleigh. For sure need that. Ooh, Halloween stuff. Skeleton, candelabra. No Halloween stuff I'm interested in. Here's a little clown band. Anybody need that? Another clown. A Nesco piece. And look, Precious Moments. 12-year-old doll. What's in these bags? Looks like just scraps from a sewing room. I don't see anything I need. Is there anything that y'all need in here? Here's some candles. Christmas candles. Little house. Oh, it's cute. Look, bears made in Taiwan. It light up. It looks like a light goes on there. Y'all see that? There's a spot for a cord. I don't know where the light comes out. I don't know. Should I get this? Alright, did not find too much. I think I showed y'all everything that I got actually. So this little guy, I love him, and I also love the sled, but I'll for sure change out the florals. I'm gonna get this piece right here. Okay, what part of the country says that? And I found this tiny little sheep right here, and that is all. After waiting like 30 minutes for them to change out this wall. All right, I have got to go. It is after school and I am getting calls nonstop from my kids. But let me know, what is your favorite item that I got at the Goodwill Bins today? I did not stay long, so I'm very happy with the items that I did get. So let me know, what is your favorite item that I got today. I will put a total on the screen of what I spent. Y'all have a great day, and I will see y'all in my next Goodwill Bins thrifting adventure.